Hello students, our sixth lesson is numbers. You can see here rectangle made with 20 dots. You can see here 20 dots. 5 dots wide and 4 dots high. Can we make other rectangles with 20 dots? Look at the next picture. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 dots wide and 2 dots high. 10 dots wide and 2 dots high. Look at the next one. You can see here 20 dots. 20 dots wide and 1 dot high. Is it clear? How can we write this? Here 5 dots wide, 4 dots high, and the next one 10 dots wide, 2 dots high, and the next one 20 dots wide and 1 dot high. Is it clear? This one we can write like this. What about 24 dots? How can we write that? 24 dot wide, 1 dot high. And next one 12 dot wide and 2 dot high. And next one 8 dot wide and 3 dot high. And the next one 6 dot wide and 4 dot high. Like this we can make different types of rectangles with 24 dots. What about 30 dots? How can we make? 30 dots high, 30 dots wide and 1 dot high. Then 15 dot wide, 2 dot high, and the next 10 dot wide and 3 dot high, and the next one 6 dot wide and 5 dot high. Like this we can make different types of rectangles with 30 dots. Look at the next one. What about 61 dots? 61 dot wide and 1 dot high. So we can make only one rectangle with 61 dots. Is it clear? You can see here some numbers, right? You can see here some numbers pair. So this is the factors of total number of dots. Is it clear? These numbers are called the factors of total number of dots. Is it clear? Okay. Let us see the factors of 72. Means how can we make different types of rectangles with 72 dots? Think like that. Let us see the factors of 72. Means how can we make different types of rectangle with 72 dots? So factors of 72. 72 means 72 dots wide and 1 dot high, like that. 2, 36 and 3, 24, 3, 24 and 4 and 18, 172, 2, 36, 3, 24, 4, 18. And the next 6, 12 and 8, 9 means 1 into 72, 2 into 36, 72, 3 into 24, 72, 4 into 18, 72, 6 into 12, 72, 8 into 9 also 72. So like this we can make different types of rectangles with 72 dots. These are the factors of 72. Like this you have to find out the factors of 90, 99 and 120. Repeating, you have to find out the factors of 90, 99 and 120. Is it clear? Let us see the factors of some numbers. Here you can see factors of 20, 1, 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20. And the next one, factors of 24, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Here total number of factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is the number of factors. And here you can see 8 numbers. So number of factors is 8. And look at the next one, factors of 30, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. So total number of factors here 8. And the next one 40, 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 40 are the factors of 40. So number of factors 8, total number of factors here 8. Look at the next one, 45, 1, 3, 5, 9, 15, 45. So number of factors here 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at the last one, 61. 61 have only 2 factors. So a number of factors is here 2. Is it clear now? Look at the number of factors. All these numbers are even numbers, right? All these numbers are even number. Is it true for all numbers? Is it true for all numbers? Let us see the factors of 36, 16 and 25. These are the factors of 36, 16, 25. You can see here numbers 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers are here. 6 is repeating. So total number of factors here 9. Total number of factors 9. Here total number of factors is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 factors. Here factors of 25, 1, 25, 5. So 25 have only 3 factors. Can you say why here total number of factors is odd number? You can see here this number is multiplied with same number, 6 into 6. So here also you can see 4 multiplied by same number. Look at the next one also. This number also multiplied by same number. So total number of factors is odd number here. Is it clear? Between 1 and 100 which have odd numbers of factors, let us see that. Between 1 and 100 which have an odd number of factors, let us see that. 1 ones are 1, right? So 1 and 2 twos are 4, so 4, and next 3 threes are 9, so 9 also, and next one 4 fours are 16, and 5 fives are 25, 6 six are 36, and next one 7 sevens are 49, 8 eights are 64, 9 nines are 81, and 10 tens are 100. So these are the numbers with odd number of factors. Is it clear? Let us see the factors of 32. 16 twos are 32 and 8 twos are 16, 4 twos are 8, 2 twos are 4. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 is the factors of 32. We can write like this: 2 into, you can see here 5 twos is equal to 32. These are the factors of 32. You can write here 1. So 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. These are the factors of 32. Is it clear? Let us see the factors of 81. 27 3 times 81. 9 3 times 27. 3 3s are 9. So factors of 81. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 is 81. So this we can write 3 into 3 9, 9 into 3 27, 27 into 3 81. So factors of 81 is 3, 9, 27, 81. Is it clear? There is some question in your textbook. Like this, you have to find out the factors of 256, 625, 243 and 121. 256, 625, 243 and 121. Let us see the factors of 16, 48 and 144. 8 twos are 16, 4 twos are 8, 2 twos are 4. So this we can write 2 and 1 2. 2 times 2 is 4 and 3 times 2 is 8. 3 times 2 is 8 and 4 times 2 is 16. These are the factors of 16. Means 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Let us see the factors of 48. 24, 2 times 48, 12, 2 times 24, 6 2 times 12, 3 into 2, 3 2 times 6. So this we can write 2 into 3, 6, 2 into 2 into 3, 2 2s are 4, 4 into 3, 12. And the next one, 3 times 2 into 3. 3 times 2 into 3, 24. And 4 times 2 into 3 is 48. Is it clear now? So factors of this number: 3, 6, 12, 24, 48. 3, 6, 12, 24 and 48. What are the factors of 144? 72, 2 times 144, 36 2 times 72, 18 2 times 36, 9 2 times 18, 3 3s are 9. This we can write 3 into 3 9. Next 3 into 3 into 2 18, and the next one 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 36. 3 into 3 9, 9 into 4 36, and the next one 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. So 3 3s are 9, 2 into 2 into 2 8, 9 into 8 72, and last one 2 times 3 and 4 times 2 is 144. So here factors of 144 is 9, 18, 36, 72, 144. How can we write this in table? These are the factors of 16, 48 and 144. Like this we can write in table. Here you can see 1. Here 1 2 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 8 and 4 2s are 16. These are the factors of 16. Look at the next one. Here 1 3 is 3. 1 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 2 2s are 12. 3 into 3 2s are 24. 3 into 4 2s are 48. And the last one here. So here you can see 2 3. 2 3 means 3 into 3 is 9. So next one 9 into 2 18. 9 into 2 2 means 4. So 9 into 4 36. Next 9 into 8 72. Next 9 into 16 is 144. These are the factors of 16, 48 and 144. Like this we can write in table. Is it clear now? I will give you homework. Find out the factors of 200